I want to apologize to the governor of Delta State and all the Delta State people. I know say Delta people no they happy with me. The way I talk to their governor, please, all the Delta State, please, make gonna forgive me. And I want to apologize to the governor of Delta State and everybody I offended, make gonna forgive me. Concerning the video I do against the governor, I saw the video online. I just talk, I speak, but I no verify. I'm supposed to verify to talk. Even though if I want to talk, I will know how to shape my mouth to talk. So I'm apologize for anything why I talk against the governor. The man is a good man. Go to Delta State, you will see a good work where that man they do. This one no be a rumor or fake news. Go to Delta State, you will see the great work that this governor is doing in Delta State. So this man no need anybody to even talk bad concerning him. As we the place the governor of Abia State, the man is doing great work in Delta State. As we the praise the governor of Abia State for the good work where he do. Now the same thing where this governor of Delta State do, the man is doing a great work. Delta State people, not gonna forgive me, please. The man is doing a great work in Delta State. He's doing a great work. Go that praise. Very soon I may go that praise and show you people the work that this man is doing. He's doing a great work in Delta State. So he's one of the governor in this and Nigeria that are doing a good job. So I want to apologize to all the Delta State people because I know say when I know they're happy. So please, I want to apologize to the governor of Delta State. Not gonna forgive me. The man is doing a good work. The man is doing a great work in Delta State. The man is doing a great work in Delta State. Go to Delta State, you will see many work this man they do. Both the bleach. Go to Delta State, you will see the work where this man they do. So I'm so sorry for this good man where they do this kind of work. I'll just come online to speak against him. Please, make him forgive me, please. The man is a good man. He's doing a good work. If you want to go to Delta State, you will see some works where the man did. Please, I want to apologize. Not gonna forgive me, all the Delta State people. God will bless the Delta State people, and God will bless the governor of Delta State, and God will bless in generation, and God will bless all the people of Delta State. Please, thank you, and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezakoba. Shalom.